Wagwan beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I am Chev B, you already know. Now for today's video, I'll be styling this wig from Rpgshow.com, and the wig that we'll be styling today is a blonde bob in 14 inches. So this is a tinted Swiss lace. It is already pre-plucked, it's already bleached for you. As I said, it's tinted, like the wig is ready to be worn straight out of the package. So it comes with the elastic band inside, the adjustable elastic band. So this is a glueless wig as well, but you know, we gotta tack down our wig when it's like winter outside. Even if you live somewhere tropical and it's windy, we just want the extra precaution. Okay, so I won't be doing the ball cap method because if you're new to my channel, like, I'm super lazy. We ain't got time for all of that. Like, I really can't. I like to go to sleep with my wig off, and so a ball cap method for me just don't make no sense because we're gonna take it off when it's time for bed. So for today's video, I'm going to concentrate mostly on how to show you guys how I cut my lace or how I customize it, or basically I'm just showing you guys a lazy girl method. Like, if you're especially new to styling a wig or customizing a wig or installing a wig, like, I'm here to show you the easy breezy cover girl, I'm joking, easy breezy way to do this, like simple. So I will be using the Got2b freezing spray, and I prefer this as opposed to the, what's it called, ghost bond glue or any other type of wig glue, because it can get a little bit tricky when time to tack it down and drying it and all of that. So basically what I do is I don't remove my lace as yet, and I just spray the Got2b right at the where the lace and the hair actually meets. So you're gonna tack down right there by just spraying the Got2b freezing. Then you're gonna put the blow dryer over it or let it blow on warm air for just a couple of seconds. Like, it dries instantly, like it's super quick. Then I make these two little slits in the lace, and then I lift it a little bit just to get as close to the hair lining as possible. Now here's the tricky part. You can use an eyebrow razor, but if you're super new to removing these excess lace or super new to installing a wig, you can use a scissors for this, and basically just take your time. You can do a zigzaggedy cut with the scissors, or if you have done this before somewhat, you can use an eyebrow razor. And basically what this will give you is, like, instead of a smooth to clean cut, it's gonna give you like just a little like a little jaggedy type of cut, so it doesn't look like super perfect and then unnatural. So after I do that, where I lifted the lace, I just spray some more Got2b freezing spray, and I'm gonna use this molding wrap to just let it dry instead of using a blow dryer all over again, because it dries pretty quick. So I'll let it sit to dry while I flat iron the hair. Now this hair is like really silky. It's a silky texture as opposed to a yucky texture, and usually with blonde wigs they tend to look dry, but with this silky one, it's like really moisturized. I don't know if you guys can see how silky it is on camera, but in person it's like really silky, and I really like it, the blonde hair silky, as opposed to having like a yucky texture, because it makes it looks dry. And then I'm going to use a flyaways tamer just to help with my flyaways. Then basically you can use a heat protectant to just flat iron the hair, and then you're all done. So you can style this hair however you want. You can flip it, put it in a ponytail, you can do a half up style, or you can just keep it classy in like a side part, like what I'm about to do. So I'm just going to finish flat iron the hair, and then we're all done. Now because I didn't do the ball cap method, or I'm wearing a stocking cap just a little bit too light, so I'm just going to take some foundation powder just to put on the parting, just to make it blend and look as natural as possible. And this is the end of the tutorial. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damn-chev. All the details for this wig will be in my description box down below. And that is basically all that I have for you guys today. I'll see y'all in the next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.